The Goa Institute of Management recently hosted a unique management development program under the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Ramp scheme, welcoming senior officials from the government of Tripura over an immersive 5-day schedule. The program blended intensive learning sessions, industry visits and rich peer-to-peer exchanges designed to foster collaboration and share best practices between two states. With much in common from policy frameworks to digital transformation, and from exploring Goa's industrial ecosystem to deep cultural exchanges.
This is the first such type of program that we have come to experience. It is a part of our one of the important scheme called RAMP, Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance. So there is a component called exposure visit as well as the capacity building of the officials. And I think we are hopeful that once we go back to Tripura, then I think we can actually replicate some of the best practices that we have experienced here.
I am Topun Das. I am Joint Director of Department of Industry and Commerce, Goa and Tripura. I have got 2 sessions very much new and useful to us, especially a session on design and thinking and one loss aversion theory. One has a lot to take back and reflect upon.
We have visited one of the most important industrial estate called this Varna Industrial Estate. So there we have seen 3 to 4 industries which are really doing well. So coming to the interaction with the government departments that we have done, we have visited the Department of Industries and Commerce, also the Information Technology. We met the directors. We are very happy that we could interact with them, and that is really, that was the actual object of our exposure visit, because we could learn, and that was really, that cross-learning session was very much helpful to us, and it is beneficial to both of this India government as well as the government of Goa Industries and Commerce.
I can learn so many things from this training. First of all, by attending this training, I know the onboarding of our MSME product, how to onboard our MSME product in digital platform, as well as by visiting the exposure visit in Varna Industrial Estate. I have come to know that there are good industries are there. By interacting with the chairman of the Varna Industrial Association president, I have come to know that their land allotment policy, which one will be very helpful. In our state, we are giving 30-year lease for land. Here, they are giving only 5 years lease. By 5 years, they have to commence their commencement of production in their allotted land. We can adopt this policy of the government of Goa.
In these last 5 days, actually we have seen lot of things, we have learned lot of things. All the states are performing under this program, and we could learn how Goa is also doing, because Goa and Tripura, we have more commonalities among us. It is also a smaller state, Tripura is also a smaller state. So in terms of RAMP project size also, it is almost similar. So it is really beneficial for us.
The MDP at GIM was more than just a training program. It was a bridge between two states, a platform for sharing knowledge and a catalyst for fresh ideas in MSME development. As the delegates return to Tripura, they carry with them not just notes and presentations, but actionable strategies and renewed partnerships that will contribute to the growth and resilience of the MSME ecosystem in their state. The collaboration between Goa Institute of Management and the government of Tripura is a testament to the power of cross-learning and a promising beginning for many such exchanges in the future.